Hello, welcome to my video. This will show you how to get through things much easier than before. So let's start out by Act 5, 2 missions that I can really help you on. We'll just get there real quick. Oh my god. Okay, here we are. So, here's Act 5, Nutty Acres. So we got 2 missions that we can cheat on. These 2 things require a flying vehicle with sticky balls, so yeah, I need those to work. We'll start out by protecting the mission first. Let me get this thing real quick. Oh my god. I'm having a very hard time, sorry. Okay, so let's start out by the protecting mission. Talk to him. No. Let's see. Okay, air sticky ball vehicle. It's gonna be pretty easy. Take out your sticky ball at the beginning of the match. Try to lower yourself to get it. And I got it. This will protect you from the flames for a long time. You won't get hurt. I think it might be a little good to stay up here. Oh. Okay, the mission's almost done. Should be able to get everything. And now, let me get my vehicle back. Now let's start on the other cheat. It's over here. Die. Now, this one might be a little difficult. You're gonna need a kind of strong vehicle that can lift up in the air. out by the easy part of this. Take out your dang chain. Dang, how am I supposed to get that thing down again? Oh, there we go. Take this down. Stick it onto your little thing. Once it is, you're ready to fly. Oh, you can't even fly. You can't even move. Oh my god. This is very difficult to get this thing to move with you. Now watch this. Watch the meter. Look how much score I have, huh? This will suck up everything in time. One go at it and you're already at the highest score ever. I did better than last time, and now here's some secret spots. Showdown Town, there should be these secret spots here. Dang, loading. Okay, gonna need a box for this one. Grab a box. Get the box in there. Okay, box. Trying to find out the combination 3 tower. All you gotta do is... Wait, what is this? Oh yeah, that's the way to another super passageway in that tower. Now, get the blubber. So if you want to get the blubber, you're going to that spring. Sort of over there. See him. Let me just try to get over there. He has blubber. It's only 10 cents to get this road, so and now jump down. Now this gets you to jet. If you don't have a jet engine yet, this will get you one. Before you can even get the spiral wall. You see a giant spiral wall here. That's the way I get to it. First jump on top of it. On top of the crate, grab your trolley while you're on it. You'll start flying. Now there should be one crate here. There should be the jet crate right about here. So now the only way out is get the crate glitch with the mumbo crate. So, oh god. Please wait, I'm out of time. You're gonna scream because I'm stuck in here. Oh, never mind about that. But people with springs can just jump in there, so like that. I think. Now, the only way out. Let me out of this stinking place. Where's the way out? Hasta vista. Stop. First. Oh, that's it. Drastic measures. Oh, that's it. Ah! Oh, there we go. Now we're out. Now that's the end of the video. So make sure you get all these things